Outside my brother, I don't want pull no trigger. I just want this, cause I can place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I checked.
I'm you now. If you thought I was disturbed before, baby girl, I'm gonna disturb you now. Disturb you. Disturb you. Disturb you. Disturb you. Give me shame, I give you peace from underneath. Give me mine and be in line to be kind. Can you open up the doors and let me in? Can you open up the doors and let me in? You good with the hurt inside, on top my head. As I sing the love inside from out my mouth. Tell me what you need to find. Tell me now. Tell me what you need to find. This is a place with no shame. This is a mind with no friend. This is the life with no doubt. This is the truth with no faults. This is a place with no shame. This is a mind with no frame. This is you now. If you thought I was disturbed before, baby girl, I'm gonna disturb you now. Disturb you. Disturb you. Disturb you. Disturb you. Give me shame, I give you peace from underneath. Give me mine and be in line to be kind. Can you open up the doors and let me in? Can you open up the doors and let me in? You good with the hurt inside, on top my head. As I sing the love inside from out my mouth. Tell me what you need to find. Tell me now. Tell me what you need to find.
Hi guys, I'm just here to give you a quick update that I'll be stepping out. I'm going to get a few stuff for the bedroom drawers. I need to get some few organizers because my bedroom drawers, like, I need to organize them. They don't really look good, and we are going to be stepping out with you guys. I'm going to show you what I'm going to get. So guys, stay tuned for that.
This one I grab you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did that back down. That cover my face, calling me that back down.
Guys, yes, I'm back from the supermarket. I just want to share with you the few things that we got from the supermarket as I go and start arranging the drawers. So I started with these containers for the kitchen, like ya kuweka unga, mchele, like this for the kitchen. I got two of these. Yeah, items. I got like two of these two, orange and yellow. I also got these. So these are used for, like, for the drawer. I got three of these. I got this three. I also got these two. I will still arrange also with these. I passed by the supermarkets. I got these. There are 3 of them inside. We have the smallest, like 3 of these. We have like a small one inside, the other size, and this big size. I also got this hanger. And also I can use like I can improvise this. I can use it in so many ways. It has a lot of storage. We have here, also have this, like these 2 hooks. Got that. Yes, princess. I got this for the bathroom. Bathroom aesthetics. Yes. I got these. I got 3 of these. I'm going to remove my old shower caddy because it's really rusted and it looks ugly. It looks outdated. That's why I've decided to go for these. And things, I got 3 of these. Yeah, and that comes to the end of that small shopping haul. So I'm going to arrange everything and I'm going to show you the aftermath result. I'll not show you because, hey, guys, it's a big mess because I removed everything from the drawers. Now I'll just arrange and then I'm gonna show you how the outcome. Yeah, so guys, stay tuned. I love you and don't forget to subscribe, guys. And yeah.
Alex Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, was only out of fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even.
So I'm just seated here waiting for my KFC order. As a receipt, I'm still in my uniform because I'm at work. I've just taken a break and yeah, so let's just sit and wait for my order. Yo, the mall is packed, the mall is full. What do you mean? Like the mall is kuna watu wengi yani, kuna watu wengi sana. So guys, ngoja order and enjoy.
No trigger. I just want me, cause I can play. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I checked. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I can.
So this is my order. I ordered wings, chicken wings. I ordered I don't love the fried chicken and spicy fries. Yeah, so let's enjoy. And my Mountain Dew, no ice. So let's begin.
Boys a liar, boys a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me. Good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just here to show you a quick haul that I got yesterday. And yeah, so let's go straight into the video. So guys, I got these 3 micellar water. Yes, I got these 3. I also, yesterday guys, you saw me in H&M. They were having a sale and I decided to get myself a lippy. That's I've been looking for this shade for a very long time. As I was strolling in the streets of H&M, I bumped into this lippy. So guys, we're going to open this with you and we're going to do a swatch. So how do we do this? Okay. Okay, oops. Okay. Okay, that's the color. That's the color. This is H&M Lippy. What's the color code? No color code. Oh, I think I removed it with the white plastic thingy which was here. But anyways, guys, I'm going to look for it and I'm going to leave a photo here of what color this is. Let's see. Haijandikwa mahali. No, it just says matte lip cream, but I'm certain like they have the number, like the number of this. I'm going to leave here, like I'm going to leave here the number and everything, the details of the lippy. I got that. I also received something amazing from this brand, guys. I received this from this brand, and guys, they gave me 2 of these. One that belongs to me and the other one I'm going to be giving away to someone who really needs it. So guys, if you really need this goodie bag, just you can just send me an Instagram DM and just tell me that you need this goodie bag, and yeah, I'm going to be giving this amazing goodie bag to one of you guys. So I'm just gonna show you what's inside, and yeah. So guys, we have these 2. These are vitamin E, and this is for the people who have wrinkles. If you have wrinkles on your face, you can use these. And then this is a vitamin E. So we have those 2. And then we have this other cleansing gel from the same brand. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to use these, and I'm going to be giving a review about how I feel about the products. And we also have this light moisturizing cream. Yeah. So guys, that's that, and everything comes inside this goodie bag. And if you are going to be lucky to get this bag, you're going to get everything. Yeah, everything that I've shown you is going to be inside. So guys, that's that. Let me just prepare and go to work. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also leave a comment of what kind of videos you'd like me to do. Yeah. So guys, bye. Let's wait and see how this color turns out. That's how it looks like. I'm not so sure if it's matte. It's moving. Let's see when it dries, because it says it's a matte lip cream. I think this will leave the shine on your lips, because normally I'll show you this other one. This is a full matte lipstick. This dries, but I believe this does not really dry. It's a matte, but does not really dry. But anyways, guys, I'm going to give you a review about the lippy. I'm gonna put it on my lips, and then I'm gonna show it to you guys. So anyways, guys, if you don't see me today again, you're gonna see me tomorrow. So guys, I'm just heading for my break in IKEA. Yeah, so today I'm not planning to eat fast food. Just I feel like eating proper meal.
I no go feed the girl is out though. I'm a mind that's you talk. I put my life into my job, and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fly, my ayo. Don't cry, yo. I did what I got when them kills Obama. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timberlake at you. Come on, white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do it? anything you want me to do. But like that, my white
So guys, I'm done ordering. I've ordered white rice, mushroom and beef, and peach iced tea. Yeah, so guys, let's dig in and go back to work. So bye. Doesn't look that good, but this is beef and mushroom. This is white rice. This is peach iced tea, and just guys, let's enjoy. So guys, a quick update. I'm just here to update you that I'm going to be getting my IV vitamin C drip. They are coming over my house to come and do that, and I'm going to, what do you call it? I'm going to be with you guys and show you the procedure. If like I'll be having enough time, because you know they're going to put the drip on my hand, and I don't know if I'm gonna be moving around, but anyways, let's see how it's going to be. And yeah.
So welcome. So actually, as you know, we serve Turkmen and European foods, and we added some notes of ashing flour and basils. Our recommendations, we can start by start 4 dishes, and our 5 highlight dish in our menu, which is the signature one, and we do have our grains. I recommend you to start with the beef tartare, which is our iconic dish. It's made from our chicken meat, complemented with some Parmesan cheese, a bit of Parmesan mussel pork. And we do have also yellowtail sashimi. It's come in sashimi style, sitting in wrapped with soy sauce, topped with some horseradish and chives. It's coming like sashimi style open tartare. And we do have our young cabbage with the black truffle. And we do have as well tuna ceviche with ceviche sauce, a little bit of cucumber, and also we added a little bit of shallot and sesame seed on top.
It's like a salad, yeah?
Yeah, and also we do have a green salad with sesame dressing.
The way that you talk and the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you, wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from my mind ago. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci bottle or the Fendi, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my word is right, baby, she gon' save me, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord, girl, your love is crazy, girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. Other girls, them only really want to play me, but when I date with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy, you amaze me, you amaze me. All them other girls, they really want to play me, but when I date with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime. The way that you talk and the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'll be making a breakfast now, and I don't have bread, so I have to go to the supermarket and get that. And for breakfast today, I'm planning to make eggs, hot chocolate with milk, and bread. So guys, let's step out and go and get bread. Actually guys, I'm really lazy. I don't want to step out. It's really hot outside. It's really extremely hot outside, but anyways, I don't want to wait for delivery, because whenever you order something, it takes really long for them to bring it here, especially if you're ordering only one thing. So guys, I'm going to step out, go to the supermarket, because it's just nearby, but it's really hot. That's why I don't want to go out. But anyways, it is what it is. I really have to go out. And so guys, let's head out.
So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot. Going a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all.
Guys, I'm back in the house, and I just want to show you the few things that I got. As you all know, I had gone to get bread. I really love this bread. It's really sweet, yeah. Mostly if you toast it, like guys, utamu iko hapa. Ndo maana nimetoka nje na hii joto yote. Then I got this matcha green tea. Yes guys, I got 4 of these, and I'm going to try and see how they taste. If I really like them, I'm going to go back and get more of these. I really love matcha. Actually guys, I really love matcha. But anyways guys, this is my first time trying this. I'm going to try it later, and I'm gonna give you feedback about it. So guys, let's make breakfast. And yeah, I'm hungry, I'm starving.
Let me tell you my story. That's why blessings upon me, and that's why I'm gonna give him the top of the green. I'm in the light. You know, my person ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a boss. Blessings all coming like one. But I'm good for the journey. The journey is just to us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessings they are reap and we coursing on foot. Going a rise and boast.
So many reasons why I want for you, my love. Now you I want to retire with my love. See all the little things you do, they make me know. Oh no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come, Bulldozer. I want to make me there. Bulldozer. Girl, I
back to my YouTube channel. I'm just here to share with you a few things that I got from the supermarket before I start preparing dinner. So guys, yeah, stay tuned as I show you the small haul that I got. So guys, you're going to start with I got these 2 capsules for my coffee machine. Oh my god. For my coffee machine, my Nespresso coffee machine. The intensity is 9%, meaning that's really strong. It's good when you're waking up in the morning to have a cup of coffee to keep you awake. Yeah, that's the first 2 things that I got. I also got these makeup remover wipes. That's how they look like. I really love the smell actually. Oof. Yeah, with rose water. Yeah, that's that. I also got bananas for my morning smoothies, because guys, I really love smoothie. Oh my god, banana avocado. I really love avocados in my smoothie, in my food. Like I can have avocados any day, anytime. Napenda avocados sana. Yeah, that's that. I also miss this Kenyan meal. Nyama, cabbage, capsicum, like the combo, like guys. But anyways, I'm not going to mix everything inside. I'm going like to aside. I'm going to just steam the cabbage. I really miss that. It's just been a while. Yeah, that's that. I also got the beef. And I got these 2, what do you call them? I got this sweet chili. I've never tried this brand, and it's going to be my first time. I also got this, I think it's a mixture of mayonnaise and something else. I got those 2, and yeah, that's that. I only got those few things. I just thought of sharing with you what I got in the supermarket. And also guys, I'm going to start preparing supper now. I think I'm gonna do that with you, but if not, yeah, let's see. By boiling our meat, and I arrange the capsules in the where it's supposed to be. Yeah, so guys, yeah, let's head to the kitchen.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is something yesterday. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is something yesterday. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other
need you now. Yeah. I find who I give you what you need. I know what you like.